Welcome to OBD Sync. I'm Jason, and in this episode we're going through how to program a replacement Holden RG Colorado radio. So first off, we'll click the vehicle button, we'll go to the radio tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed already, as we see here, it will show the licensing screen now. Once it's loaded in the available options here, we're going to be the flashing and learn functions. We're going to head up to along the top and click on flashing. We'll go to the calibration IDs. This will show us some information about what needs to be flashed into it for the calibrations. We'll then go to the configurable options. We're going to turn the reverse camera option to on since we're adding that to this vehicle. Make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted, and once you do, you can go ahead and click the right button. This will then begin downloading the required files to suit this vehicle, plus our modification for the reverse camera, and then begin the flashing sequence. You'll see your screen will go black during this stage, so that's okay, don't worry. This procedure does take roughly about 30 seconds to complete, so it's not too long, but still best to always have that battery maintainer during this time, just so that we don't have a failed flashing event due to a low battery voltage. Once it completes, you will see that we'll get to our final step, which is going to be the flashing finalization routine, as we see here. During this point, we'll see the screen will flicker, and then we'll have the boot animation, which will be the Holden logo here, for showing the radio booting back up. Once that's done, we only have one last step to do, which will be under the learn functions, which will be our VIN security link. So we're just going to wait for that to boot up. There we go. We have our locked screen, and then when ready, we'll press go. We'll see a quick flicker of it saying no VIN, and then finally it will be all programmed and linked together. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.